Hey guys, Melissa here with ShirtSpace. Just wanting to touch base with you today on how to submit a return. First thing you'll want to do is head to ShirtSpace.com. Once on our site, you will see the free returns link at the very top of the page. Clicking on this will take you to our returns policy page along with our return submission form. To submit your return, you will need the email address from your order and your order number, and then you can click Find Return. Once on the return, you will see all of the items on your order. When your order has been populated to the return screen, please let us know the quantities and the reason why you're going to be returning the product. Please also let us know if you'd like an in-store credit or a refund back to your original form of payment, and also indicate that you've read our return policy. After submitting your return, you will receive 2 emails from us. The first will just let you know that your return has been submitted. The second will be from our customer service team. This will include your return instructions along with a free UPS label. Please print this label out and slap it on a box or bag and send the product back to us. Also allow our customer service team up to 24 hours to get this email to you. When we've received your product back, please allow us up to 10 business days to process your in-store credit or your refund. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today on how to submit a return. Need more helpful videos like this? Click the subscribe button and have a great rest of your day.